Hello everyone! Welcome to Fox Quiz, where every challenge puts your knowledge to the test. Today's challenge is can you pass this human body quiz? Get ready to test your knowledge of the human body, organs, bones, muscles, and anatomy. You'll face 30 questions, and you'll have 5 seconds to answer each one. Each correct answer earns you 1 point. All right, take a deep breath. Like the video, subscribe to Fox Quiz, and let's dive in. First question, which organ filters waste from the blood, lungs, brain, or kidneys? The kidneys, they filter waste from the blood. Which part of the body controls thinking? Stomach, heart, or brain? The brain! It controls thinking and so much more. Which organ pumps blood around the body? Stomach, heart, or lungs? The heart! How many bones are in an adult human body? 150, 206, or 300? "206 bones. That's the adult human skeleton. What is the average human body temperature? 37 degrees Celsius, 42 degrees Celsius, or 30 degrees Celsius? 37 degrees Celsius. Perfect temperature. Which organ helps us breathe? Lungs, kidneys, or liver? The lungs! They help us breathe. How many chambers does the human heart have? 6, 4, or 2? 4 chambers. What is the body's largest organ? Liver, brain, or skin? The skin! That's the body's largest organ. What is the hardest substance in the human body? Skin, bone, or tooth enamel? Tooth enamel. Which bone is the longest in the human body? Femur, radius, or skull? The femur! That's the longest bone in the human body. Next challenge. Would you rather like the video or subscribe to Fox Quiz? Which organ produces bile? Pancreas, liver, or heart? The liver! How many lungs does a healthy human normally have? 4, 3, or 2? Which body part is mainly responsible for hearing? Ears, eyes, or nose? ears! They are responsible for hearing. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Tibia, stapes, or femur? Which organ stores and digests food? Brain, heart, or stomach? The stomach! What carries oxygen around the body? Muscles, red blood cells, or bones? Which part protects the brain? Skull, pelvis, or ribs? The skull! It protects the brain. How many teeth does a typical adult have? 28, 32, or 20? Which organ helps control blood sugar? Spleen, lungs, or pancreas? The pancreas! Which muscle helps the heart pump blood? Cardiac muscle, hamstring, or biceps? Pick one, kick one, have super strong bones, or have super strong muscles. What connects muscles to bones? Cartilage, ligaments, or tendons? Tendons! They connect muscles to bones. Which body system includes the brain and spinal cord? Nervous system, respiratory system, or digestive system? Which organ absorbs most nutrients from food? Large intestine, small intestine, or stomach? Small intestine. What is the main function of red blood cells? Carry oxygen, digest food, or fight germs? Which part of the eye controls how much light enters? Cornea, retina, or iris? The iris! It controls how much light enters the eye. Which organ is primarily responsible for detoxifying the blood? Liver, stomach, or heart? What is the body's largest internal organ? Kidney, liver, or brain? Which structure structure carries messages between the brain and body? Femur, rib cage, or spinal cord? Guess this organ that pumps blood throughout the whole body. Pancreas, heart, or stomach? Which system breaks food down into nutrients? Skeletal system, digestive system, or respiratory system?